Have you ever wondered how those AI-generated mini worker reels are going viral on Instagram? These captivating videos are taking over social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts, and for good reason. They are visually engaging, unique, and loop perfectly, making them ideal for short-form content. But why should you create them? The answer is simple. They attract millions of views, and the best part is you can create them 100% free using AI tools. No video shooting is required, just AI-generated content. However, there's a catch. If you miss a step, you might not achieve the same viral results. So stay tuned until the end, follow along, and let's dive into the process. Step 1. Mastering AI prompts for precision and creativity. The journey begins with crafting detailed, imaginative prompts that guide AI tools to generate visually striking images. Generic prompts like mini worker fixing a machine lack the specific needed to stand out content. Instead, focus on rich sensory descriptions. For example, a prompt might describe a steampunk-inspired miniature mechanic in a leather apron repairing a glowing pocket watch under the warm golden light of a vintage workshop with intricate gears and copper tools scattered across a weathered wooden table. Include technical details like resolution 8K, aspect ratio 9:16 for vertical reels, and stylistic keywords. Use ChatGPT to generate 10 to 20 variations of your core idea, experimenting with different scenarios, like a cyberpunk engineer assembling a robot or underwater welder repairing a submarine. Save these prompts in a spreadsheet for consistency, noting themes, color palettes, and motion ideas. Avoid overloading prompts with too many elements, as this can confuse the AI. Stick to one focal point where the prompt is clear and coherent. Step 2. Generating high-quality AI images with free tools. With your prompts ready, leverage AI image generators like Leonardo AI or Pixar to bring your ideas to life. Leonardo AI offers advanced customization. After signing up for a free account, select the Dream Shaper V7 model for photorealistic results or RPG V4 for fantasy styles. Set the 9:16 aspect ratio, enable high contrast and detailed texture enhancement, and generate 4 to 6 images per prompt. For a simpler approach, PixArt AI allows you to input prompts with stylistic keywords like trending on ArtStation and apply filters like vivid or cinematic for polished results. Download images in PNG format to preserve quality and curate the best ones for animation. A common pitfall to avoid is cluttering prompts with unrelated elements. Focus on a single narrative to maintain visual harmony. Step 3. Animating static images with AI motion tools. Static images lack the dynamic appeal needed for viral content. Tools like Kling AI and Halo Labs add motion to your visuals, transforming them into engaging clips. In Kling AI, upload your image and choose between subtle motion, example, a slow pan across a workshop, or dynamic action, example, rotating gears or sparks flying. Use keyframes to determine motion paths, such as screwdriver floating towards a watch, and set the speed to 50 to 70% for smooth transitions. Export the video at 1080p and 60 fps. For quicker results, Halo Labs offers one-click presets like cinematic zoom or mechanical motion. Refine animations with prompts like slow-motion close-up of glowing gears to ensure alignment with your vision. To create seamless loops, extend the final frame by 0.5 seconds using CapCut's freeze frame tool, ensuring the first and last frames align perfectly. Step 4. Polishing your reel with professional editing. Raw animations need refinement to stand out. CapCut, a free editing tool, is ideal for adding finishing touches. Import your clips and arrange them in a sequence that follows a narrative arc. For example, a mini worker discovering a broken machine, repairing it, and revealing a glowing core. Sync sound effects like clinking tools or humming gears. Source from free libraries like Epidemic Sound to match on-screen actions. Use bold, legible fonts like Bebas New for captions such as "Wait for the twist" to hook viewers early. Apply transitions like dynamic zooms, 110% scale between scenes, or add glitch effects from CapCut's RGB light leaks overlay. For color grading, boost saturation by 15% and shadows by 10%. Then apply a teal and orange LUT for cinematic vibe. Export the final video at 1080p resolution and 60 fps, ensuring it's optimized for mobile viewing. Step 5. Strategic posting for algorithmic success. Timing and optimization are crucial for maximizing reach. Post Instagram Reels between 7 to 9 p.m. local time on weekdays, when user activity peaks. On TikTok, aim for 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. or 7 to 9 p.m. And for YouTube Shorts, target weekend between 5 to 8 p.m. Use a mix of niche and trending hashtags like AI Magic, Miniature World, and Viral Reels, and add location tags like Tokyo or Berlin to tap into regional trends. In your first comment, pose a question like, "How did they fix that?" to encourage engagement. Tag AI tool accounts, example Leonardo AI, for potential shares, and repurpose content across platforms by tweaking intros or adding platform-specific captions. Monitor analytics to identify drop-off points. If viewers leave within 3 seconds, revise your hook or opening scene. Bonus tactics for sustained viability. To maintain momentum, create episodic content like a mini worker saga, where characters tackle new challenges in each installment. Jump on trending sounds such as slowed versions of popular songs to ride algorithmic waves. Share behind-the-scenes snippets of your AI workflow on stories to build curiosity and humanize your process. Tools like Opus Clip can auto-convert horizontal videos to vertical format, saving time when repurposing content. Final thoughts. Creating viral AI miniature worker reels is both an art and a science. By combining hyper-detailed prompts, precise animation techniques, and strategic posting, you can turn AI-generated visuals into a powerful content engine. Start with one reel, apply these steps carefully, and iterate based on performance data. Consistency and attention to detail will set your work apart in the crowded landscape of short-form video. Ready to begin? Grab your prompts, fire up your tools, and let the tiny workers captivate the world, one loop at a time. If you found this content valuable and want to keep leveling up your AI-generated images, videos, and overall content creation skills, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on future tips, strategies, and exclusive resources. Don't forget to hit that like button to let me know you're enjoying this content. It really helps the channel grow and reach more people like you. And most importantly, turn on the bell notifications so you're always the first to know when I drop a new video. There's a lot more game-changing content coming your way, so stay tuned. Also, stay tuned because I'm about to introduce a game-changing course that will take your AI content creation to the next level. I'll be covering dropshipping, YouTube automation, theme pages, and much more. You won't want to miss this.